Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas 16 tutorial on motion tracking text. It's a new version in the latest build. You need build, go to help, about, build 261 for this to work. And I'll show you how it's done. So here we have a flock of birds flying. And we're going to add text to be motion tracked with the birds. Okay, so I'll show you how it's done here. So go to Video Effects, go to Bezier Masking, select the circle, and we're going to get that third bird there. Track his head, zoom in quite a bit. We'll track it. Okay, so the tracking is done. Put it back. So it's tracking the head of the bird very nicely. It's good. Let's stop this. Click on your clip. Go to Tools. Go to Scripting. Add text to motion track. You can leave these set the way they are. It's fine. Now just edit this text. We'll call this birds. Make it bold. We'll change the color to black. Now you can go back to the FX on the second track and uncheck Bezier masking. Now when you play this back, the text is tracked to the bird, so it works really, really well. So that's all you have to do to motion track text in Vegas Pro 16. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.